Welcome back everybody to the new vlog. So we are moving towards Amrita Hospital because today there is an event and the event called सर सलामत तो घर सलामत. तो जो अपने गौरव भाई हैं उन्होंने इस इवेंट के बारे में बताया था. So I have successfully registered. So guys, Amrita Hospital is on our right. As you can see, it is there, but the location is of around 1 kilometer far. So let's see कि लोकेशन कहाँ लेके जाती है. हो सकता है कि वो मीटिंग पॉइंट हो. So guys, we have ways to go there. I guess we need to go to this way. I thought we are going to wrong direction because it was in between, no hoardings were there, but I guess now we are going correct. So this is Amrita Hospital. Now you can see how huge it is. I guess I am the only one till now who came with EV. That's why the expression of security guard was really amazed. Not sure. I can see some bikes over there. So yes, I am the only one who came with EV here.
Check one.
ऐसे ना?
हरी तो बैटरी वाली गाड़ी है.
वो भाई कह रहे हैं तो बैटरी वाली गाड़ी है.
हरी
ऑनलाइन में रजिस्ट्रेशन कर दिया. उधर एक छोटा सी रजिस्ट्रेशन है.
ओम
और काउंटर
नमः
में.
शिवाय.
Sure.
Your name, your age. Okay, sir, don't send. Okay, I'll deliver the gig, then you can send. Sure. So thank you for coming, sir. Please do accept it.
So this is the Amrita Hospital. Now you can see it's really huge. It's not big, it's huge, and that's the lobby, I guess, where we have to wait. So that somewhere becomes a negative point. If you are a punctual person, you have to wait for others. So let's see how long we are going to wait, but till the time I'm sure they must have arranged something. So guys, check, basically this is the event. It is an initiative by Amrita Hospital Association with NHAI. So somebody is going to come for giving a good speech here. So it is basically head injury and polytrauma awareness, and we have to wait inside. Let's see how it goes. So guys, I can't speak loud, but this is the auditorium where we are going to sit. So it's really big, and this seat we have got here. So I kept my helmet here. How small it is looking.
मैं हरियाणा पुलिस के अंदर सब इंस्पेक्टर हूँ और कई मोहल्ले में स्कूल कॉलेज इंडस्ट्रीज में ये जो हमारे देश.
There we are sitting Ajay Tamta ji. He is the Ministry of NHAI. Guys, nothing is visible, but I am showing you up. So यहाँ पे दो भाई मिले हैं. भाई आपका नाम क्या है?
सुदीप चौधरी
और एक इनके साथ
ये जतिन है.
तो ये भी राइडर्स हैं.
मेरा चैनल में नाम जतिन एस्थेटिक्स अंडरस्कोर फॉलो कर लेना.
पास से बताओ उनकी आवाज़.
सब्सक्राइब.
The seat belts. I was shocked to see something that there are not devices we can minimize the use of seat.
So guys, this is the refreshment, the best part, I guess. We have the cupcake, one samosa, and one sandwich, and fruit is there. So there I can see all the bikes except one scooter, that is mine, that too EV. So let's finish this. We are going to get a t-shirt also, then we'll go for the ride. So guys, गौरव भाई की एंट्री होगी. उनकी एंट्री तो नहीं रिकॉर्ड कर पाया, बट आप उनसे ऐसे मिल लो. तो ये हमारे गौरव भाई हैं और ये उनके दोस्त वगैरह हैं. तो अभी टी शर्ट कलेक्ट करके राइड पे जा रहे हैं. मैं आपको पूरा जो लाइनअप है वो दिखाता हूँ. गाइस, वी हैव गॉट सम goodies. So here we have the t-shirt. तो गाइस ये है गौरव भाई का नाम और उनके दोस्त और
has to wear the helmet and the safety gear that they are carrying. Anyone not wearing a helmet is requested to please move out of the convoy. We have to promote safety, so please
गाइस मेरे जस्ट सामने है गौरव भाई 22 ZX 10R और मैं यहाँ चल रहा हूँ EV पे। Going to take a ride of at least 10 kilometers and I am going to be at the end because I am the only one. No, I can see one bike is there, EV bike is there. So sorry guys, I am going at the end because I am the one who is with the scooter, that too EV. I know machines are machines, but yes, I'll be in front or in between when I'll be on my bike, that too fuel one. But as of now I'm going with this only, so you can enjoy if you can get the sound. So we'll follow their speed. Let's see. Guys, they have arranged almost everything. There is ambulance coming behind us, if you can see in the mirror, and one ambulance is ahead also. They are not going in the row, that is just little disappointing. Anything can happen, so they are going in a bunch. So yes, let's see. They have arranged almost everything, means none of the things can stop us today. So I'm enjoying it. I'm at the last, but I'm enjoying it. इतनी 50-60 बाइक्स में से सिर्फ एक की आवाज़ आ रही है, वो है अपनी गौरव भाई की ZX 10R। चलो ट्राई करते हैं उनके पास चलने का। पता आपको आवाज़ आ रही होगी, बट ये जो 3 ZX 10R चलती हैं बीच में जो है वो गौरव भाई हैं अपने। फ्लैग की वजह से नहीं दिख रहा होगा इतना। गौरव भाई so guys, we are stopping here. So guys, the ride is over. We have done pictures. Now there is one event going on arranged by Amrita Hospital only. So we are moving towards, let's see, I guess a kind of a concert is there.
कल हमारा सर है तो अच्छा है, नहीं तो वो तब खत्म। I hope you understand what I'm saying.
So guys, I am ending the vlog here because the speech will go on and I guess they have some band program also. And yes, they are asking experienced people to go on stage. I thought to go, but yes, I can't because I don't have experience. So much for watching this vlog. See you in the next one. Till the time, keep riding, keep safe. Bye bye. Take care.
How you can manage a speed